good ba? Mga ganyan-ganyan. Paano mo gawin yun? Nasasabihin na niya sa akin, pag-aralan mo. Yun ang the way say, pag-aralan mo. Paghirapan mo. Aralin mo. Hindi lang paglilinya, hindi lang pag-memorize ng script yan. Aralin mo. At yung unang-una, huwag kang malilate in how strict he is, even when he became a director. Parang, then there was one time, they got me. Tapos hindi nila sinasabi kung sino ang director ko. Ay, sino ang director? Parang isa makakapag-prepare ka kung, kunyari, naniligaw yung director, or, oh my goodness, nakaka-tense, di ba? Para you can prepare yourself as an actor. Pagdating ko sa set, hi, Miss Maya, ang director niya ngayon, may surprise kami sa'yo, si Kuya Ricky. I am not kidding, parang I wanted to die po, I wanted to back out. Tapos po, MMK, parang gusto kong mamatay. Tapos I was with Direct Eddie Gutierrez and Rico Yan and Kuya Ricky was our director. And I only had one sequence. One lang po. Monologue po, Direct Maurice. Parang hindi ko Direct Maurice, hindi ko po kaya. Parang I wanted to back out. I was talking to the EP, pwede po umuwi na ako. But I was there na, out of town po, Pampanga. Tapos sabi ni Kuya, wala kang kinalaman dyan ha. Tinanong nila ako, hindi ko sinabi yan. Tapos parang, oh my God, sarili kong kapatid, walang dinig sa akin. Yung parang, inaano nila, wala akong kinalaman dahil they just told me ha. So parang, how? So parang, just I wanted to really die, but I don't know how I did it. Siguro po, again, after mga 1 hour, I was still crying sa eksena. And I think si Tito Ed po, pinatawa na lang po ako kasi I was still crying. Parang higbi na po ako na higbi. Tapos naman niya, sige, tama na, kumain ka ng puto. Kasi may puto po dun sa set. Kumain ka ng puto. Tapos tumingin, natawa na ako. Tapos pati si Rico tumatawa. Oh my God, so that's just Kuya Ricky. But that's how he is. Yung paghirapan mo. Because I was listening to what you were saying kanina, Direct Maurice. Hindi dati. Ginawa niya lahat yun. More than pa ng dapat. At yun ang sinabi na, gawin mo. Aralin mo, hindi lang ano. So parang when I was listening to you, that's it. That's why he is where he is right now. And that's why you're all here. It is just, I am so proud to be called his sister. Nakakatuwa ko talaga. It's overwhelming. I'm sure my dad is so happy. And everyone po, sa pamilya namin, we are so blessed and you know that everyone is here. Pero tama na, Direct Joey, you said yes, you're next.